There's a boat. Keep it.
They're in Chattanooga.
People trying to get on 70. People trying to get on from. It's a mess. Hey, me. Going down Toyota, you go Destiny to Super. Hello.
Bobby's driving.
Hey.
Sonny's riding. I don't like driving. Traffic. Barely like driving in Tuscaloosa. Traffic.
Record board. Looks like it.
Yep.
Looks like a ticket giver. Oh, there's some more ticket givers.
Oh, dang it. Yeah, boys driving.
They tearing up them HOV lanes.
They be in the HOV.
You don't have
Unless you have a
passenger or more. HOV is not. That's just for more than one passenger.
Yeah.
They put them in the front seat.
And they caught on a lot of that, though.
Well, you can't really fly through here, so that would catch you.
Yeah.
They can see that. So that's the dummy.
Had another car pulled up. GPS. GPS. Television station. Oh, okay.
Broadcast.
Yeah.
Get them HOV drivers. See in the middle of that tag in front of us. See what's in the middle of it. It's a tree.
Oh, okay.
See what type of tree. Okay, we need to get over
Why did we need to get over it?
because it said 85 toward Montgomery. The other 85 will be towards Birmingham. See right there, 2 miles.
Yeah. I think the road split.
It does. That's why I said we need to go ahead and get over. See, we're in the right lane.
Gotcha.
2 miles.
Jimmy Carter, presidential library.
That 85 south over there too, or not? I don't think we have to get over it yet. That's 1.25 miles. Is that a 5-0? Excellent.
Welcome in, Aaron. Welcome in, Aaron.
Whoa. Water. About 141 miles. Keep straight. All right, let's see what we can do. Uh-oh, I got over. Wow.
What, then to go straight?
Yeah, but I got over.
Why'd you get over them? Still good, right?
Damn, no wonder nobody's going as fast as we are. I was doing 75 and a 55. Oops.